Deploying applications to Vercel can be complex for developers, but what if there was a command that made it simple? Today we explore vvxw deploy-vercel, a tool designed to streamline deployment. vvxw deploy-vercel is an open source project that simplifies deployment workflows to Vercel. It's a tool developers use to automate and manage deployments directly from their command line. Let's look at its core features and how it works. The architecture of vvxw deploy-vercel is straightforward and modular. It relies on Node.js for execution and integrates with Vercel's API through well-defined commands. The tool doesn't introduce complex dependencies, making it lightweight and efficient. Now let's examine the core command used to install this tool. npm install. This step integrates vvxw deploy-vercel into a developer's project and prepares it for use. Installation via npm is standard practice, ensuring compatibility with existing development setups. Installation is just the beginning. After installing, developers can run simple commands to deploy their projects. This tool bridges the gap between local development and Vercel's deployment system, minimizing friction in the process. vvxw deploy-vercel fills a practical niche in the developer toolchain. By simplifying deployment, it reduces complexity and streamlines workflows for teams using Vercel. It's an open source utility that empowers developers with automation. In summary, vvxw deploy-vercel is a lightweight tool that simplifies deployment to Vercel. It installs via npm, integrates well with modern workflows, and provides an efficient way for developers to automate deployments.